with a video cam on a computer, you're limited to where you can do it. But if you've got a movie camera, just an ordinary video camera, you can go outside and do tricks like somebody kicking a football at you and things like that. But on my next video I'm going to explain to you how to view these once you've made the recording. Hi, there's Eddie here again. This is my second appearance, and I will now be explaining to you how you can view the video that you've just made in 3D. You can view it on your computer, or you can view it on a TV if you have a TV connection to your computer or whatever. And I'll explain to you that once you've learnt these techniques and you can do it, you'll find that you can use this system to watch an ordinary television film in 3D. You don't need to go out and spend £1,000 on a 3D TV to do it. And this is what you need to do. The way the brain works is very interesting, and it sees two pictures, one from each eye, and puts them together to make the 3D image because they're slightly different. However, there is a way of tricking the brain into thinking it's seeing two pictures that are different, when in actual fact they're just seeing the same picture with both eyes. The effect is done by using a very simple lens, such as the lens of an ordinary pair of reading glasses, over the left eye. This will tend to defocus the picture to that eye, and the brain is tricked into thinking it's different, and it makes up, because it's blurred or slightly out of focus, it also magnifies slightly, and this will trick the brain into thinking it's seeing two pictures, which it combines, puts together, and gives you a 3D image. It's a much more natural 3D image than the image you get in the cinema, and you'll notice this when you use it. In order to, you may not be successful at first, because if you defocus the image to one eye too much, you will find that the picture that you're looking at is blurred, and if you don't distort it enough, if it's not blurred enough, you won't get the 3D effect. So you need to try various lenses to find out which suits you best. And you'll also find that if you move the lens to and forward of the eye, you will get to see 3D better. People may think this is a trick and it's not for real, but it really does work, and it's a lot less expensive than going out and buying a 3D TV, and you still need glasses anyway. The reason this system is not being used by anybody is because there's no money in it. People who make TVs and cinemas and that, they're not interested in this because there's no money to be made out of it. I mean, you don't even need to buy a pair of glasses. You can find an old pair of glasses that's out of date or whatever, anything like that, to find one and to see if it works. But that is the secret. If it's blurred, the lens is too strong. If there's no 3D effect, the lens is not strong enough. That's all you need to remember. You may, if you want to prove that you're actually seeing in 3D, close the eye that the lens is over, and you will find the picture goes to a normal flat two-dimensional picture with the one eye. That's all for now. Goodbye, this is Eddie. When you've sorted out your glasses and got a suitable lens, the simplest way to make your viewing is to remove the one lens from the pair of glasses and then just wear them like an ordinary pair of glasses. Some people it'll work better with the left eye, some people working with the right eye. So before removing a lens, find out which eye is best for you to have the lens over. And I hope you enjoy watching this, because an amazing thing occurred to me after using it for a few months. I suddenly started to notice that when I was watching TV, without the glasses on, by the way, I suddenly noticed I was still seeing it in 3D. And I'd be interested to hear if there's anybody else who tries this out, if they actually start seeing TV in 3D without wearing glasses, because that would be even better, wouldn't it? But I've been watching TV in 3D for years now, and I'll say I hope you get some enjoyment out of doing this. At least it's a little project you can do. If you're at school, it may be a nice little project to take to your science teacher. Ask them to explain why it happens. I know why it happens. It happens because the brain is tricked into believing it's seeing two different pictures, and because it doesn't have a clear image of the picture, it makes up using the other eye as to what it should be. And because the brain thinks these things are in 3D, it actually transcribes them into 3D. That's why it works. So talk to your science teacher about it. You might have a bit of fun with him. Also, I found out that using this, the glasses, you can look at photographs, old photographs of yourself, and see them in 3D. So if anybody wants to have a brilliant project for their science teacher at school, try this. It's much better than the volcano. Well, that's all for now. This is Eddie saying goodbye.